Hello. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. If it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we will be looking at steel works. It's been a while now since we focus on reinforcement works, on this channel. So today we have Ni who will be taking us through the works that they have been doing. So these are like separate contracts, that we've been doing to help some of our subscribers who already have their builders or they have their foremen and they just need us to just come in and help and support them because they don't have a steel bender. You can always use some of our artisans here, for your personal project.
This is what we have done so far. We are finished. The work is completely done. See the step. Coming to the normal flow. Someone may ask, why do you wave your double or reinforcement? That's how the plan says. We are working with the plan. So what your plan says, that's what we do. You can see it. Reinforcement. You're done with the work. What here is a small floor. 3.5 12 mm. 1 ton of 16 mm. 50 pieces of 10 mm. That's what we have used now. So as you can see, that's what we are now. Sharing of the weight for it to balance. That's why you are seeing double waving here. It's very necessary because the clients have involved a lot of money in, so we need to take time and do the work neat at the same time to avoid sagging or failure. That's why you can see the double mesh over here. But we are done with the work. The site is very far, so we normally sleep at the site. It's typically deep bush. For us to get something to eat, unless we call Boboya or call Pragia to come and pick us to the town to find something to eat. Then walk to the site again. We sleep on the top of the floor or decking. So we finish this work. We thank God for everything He has done for us. Thank you. This is your secret beam, the hidden beam. So as you can see, we are loaded down. We are loaded top rather than the down because the force is at the top. That's why. So now we have done everything and the work has been done. Completely done. Thank you to Almighty God. See you.
So that was Ni for you, the steel bender, the guy in charge. He has his own team, he has his own boys. So no matter how big, your project is, he will come with his boys. And trust me, these guys, if you watch my one of my projects, which is the Hill project. You will see the massive job they've done, with that project. So this is with another client. This is a septic tank, as you can see, and they've done amazing job. And with this septic tank, you can even park your car on top of it. They weave it in such a way that it can carry, load and weight. You can see it for yourself. If you look at it carefully, you see everything is doubled right there, and it is easy to get this thing done by this team. And like, Nin knows a lot, when it comes to load and balancing and everything. He can also read your drawing for you. If he has any difficulties, he will always get in touch with my contractor, and he will ask for advice. And but then he has done that for several times, and till now I think he knows a lot how to go around those things. But these are some of the plans that you even get working with us, using some of our artisans. When they come and they see something wrong, or they see any challenge with your building, they quickly, involved the builder, Brother Sammy, who is my engineer, and he advised them. And this is a plus that you get without any consultation. But then when it is heavy, when a lot of work has to be done, then he has to come in. But if it is just minor mistakes, we just do that, and we don't even ask for anything. So this is also a different one, but this is not a septic tank. This is a water reservoir. The client here wants to collect all the rainwater which will be coming on the roof, store it here, and use it for, washing, flushing, and also watering the plant in the house or on the compound.
onyankopɔn adom ɛde biribi aba ne wie ɔn reinforcement wɔnyɛ single mast no wɔn reinforcement nti ɛne nti na nɔpa no me ne wɔ aku saa no ɔn adwuma deɛ sɛ wonya adadeɛ na wonya no kama ɛma nipa no because of ɔkyerɛ nti ɛne reinforcement. That's it.
And that's one thing I like about me. We won't do a shoddy job for you just because, you want to cut down cost, or we want to cut down cost. Where it is needed to cut down cost, we will. But if it is required that we have to really put in, the materials, the cement, the iron rod has to go there, we will do that. That is what we stand for. Because in the future, when something happens to the building, they will blame the people that built the house. They won't say that the owner wanted to cut down costs. So that's why we didn't do. So, this is what we stand for as Gigo Production Group. We will cut down the cost for you, but not, with reducing materials and stuff. That's not how to cut down cost.